Hello students, today we will discuss expenditure method of measuring national income. What are the components of expenditure method? Private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation and net exports. What is private final consumption expenditure? It refers to expenditure on final goods and services by the individual households and non-profit private institutions serving society. It includes durable consumption goods like TV car, semi-durable consumption goods like clothes, furniture, non-durable or single-use consumption goods like bread and butter. It includes services also. Services are those non-material goods which directly satisfy human wants. Government final consumption expenditure, it refers to expenditure on final goods and services by the government, like expenditure on the purchase of goods for consumption by the defense personnel, law and order, education, etc. Investment expenditure or gross domestic capital formation. It refers to increase in existing stock of capital during an accounting year. Gross domestic capital formation includes gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock. Fixed investment refers to increase in the existing stock of fixed assets of the producers during the period of an accounting year. It includes business fixed investment. It includes expenditure on the purchase of new plants and machinery, fixed investment by households in terms of construction of houses, public fixed investment, expenditure on construction of roads, dams, bridges by the government. Inventory investment or change in stock. Change in inventory stock during the year is called inventory investment of the producers. How can we calculate it? Closing stock minus opening stock. Net exports. Net exports refers to the difference between exports and imports during an accounting year. Net exports is equal to exports minus imports. Exports are an expenditure by the foreigners on the domestically produced final goods and services. Imports are an expenditure on the goods and services produced abroad. How can we calculate national income by expenditure method? Private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. It is equal to GDP at market price. GDP at market price minus consumption of fixed capital means depreciation. It is equal to NDP at market price. NDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. It is equal to NNP at FC. NNP at FC is the national income.